Welcome to English Real Talks.
Hello, Professor. I need your advice.
Of course, Jessica. What's up?
I just joined an English cafe.
Oh, that's great. What kind of cafe is it?
It's a place where people meet to speak English, but there's one problem.
Let me guess. You're nervous about speaking in front of others?
Exactly. I understand some English, but I'm afraid I'll forget words when I talk.
That's very common. Speaking English in real life feels different from studying it.
Yes, that's true. Can you help me get ready?
Of course. Let's practice together.
What should we practice first?
Let's go through a full day, morning, afternoon, and evening conversations.
Like real life?
Exactly. Real English, real talk. That's what we do here.
Perfect. And maybe we can speak slowly so learners can follow.
Good idea. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to English Real Talks.
Right. Okay, let's start with the morning.
Good morning, Jessica.
Morning, Professor.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm still half asleep. That's normal. Let's start with some morning phrases.
Okay.
First, wake up.
Wake up.
Yes, it means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7. Got it.
Next, make the bed.
Make the bed. But we don't really build it, right?
No, it means to arrange your blanket and pillow neatly after sleeping.
Oh, okay. I make my bed after waking up.
Exactly. Next phrase, brush your teeth.
That's easy. I brush my teeth every morning.
Good. And then, take a shower.
I take a shower before breakfast.
Perfect sentence. And finally, have breakfast.
I have breakfast with my family.
Excellent. So, what did you learn?
Wake up, make the bed, brush your teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast.
Very good. You just spoke your first 5 English actions of the day.
Feels good. What's next?
Let's move to late morning. You're going to the cafe now.
Okay, I'm a little nervous again.
No worries. Let's practice some cafe English. Ready?
Ready.
First phrase, find a seat.
Find a seat. Like, choose where to sit?
Exactly. Example, I found a seat near the window.
Nice.
Next, look at the menu.
Look at the menu. That means to read what you can order, right?
Correct. Example, I'm looking at the menu now.
Got it.
Then, place an order.
Place an order. So that means to tell the waiter what I want.
Yes. For example, I'd like to place an order, please.
Very polite.
After that, wait for your drink.
Wait for your drink. Easy enough.
And when it arrives, enjoy your coffee.
Enjoy your coffee. That one I can definitely do.
Great. Let's review.
Find a seat, look at the menu, place an order, wait for your drink, and enjoy your coffee.
Perfect. You sound natural.
Professor, what if I don't understand the waiter?
Good question. You can say, could you please repeat that?
Could you please repeat that?
Yes, it's polite and clear. Another option is, sorry, I didn't catch that.
That sounds friendly.
Exactly. Communication is about being kind, not perfect.
That helps a lot. What about lunchtime English?
Let's go there next. Imagine you're eating lunch with friends.
Okay, I can picture that.
You sit down and someone asks, what do you want to eat?
I say, I'll have a sandwich.
Perfect. The phrase, I'll have, is very common for ordering food.
I'll have a sandwich. Easy and natural.
Next phrase, pass the salt.
Pass the salt? That means give it to me, right?
Exactly. Example, could you pass the salt, please?
Got it.
After eating, you can say, that was delicious.
That was delicious. I like that.
And when you're done, I'm full.
I'm full. It means I can't eat anymore.
Right. Finally, let's split the bill.
Split the bill? It means each person pays part of the total?
Exactly. So let's split the bill is like sharing the cost.
Exactly. Now, your lunch phrases, I'll have a sandwich, pass the salt, that was delicious, I'm full, let's split the bill.
Excellent.
I like how each part of the day teaches new words.
That's how language grows with daily life.
What comes next?
Afternoon, you're meeting a friend to go shopping.
Great, let's do it.
First, try it on.
Try it on, like clothes?
Yes. Example, can I try this jacket on?
Okay.
Next, it fits well.
It fits well. That means it's the right size.
Exactly. Or if it's too small, say, it doesn't fit.
I'll remember that.
Third phrase, how much is it?
How much is it? For asking the price?
Correct. Then, do you accept cards?
Do you accept cards, like credit or debit cards?
Yes. And finally, can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt? Easy.
Great job. Can you list them?
Try it on. It fits well. How much is it? Do you accept cards? Can I get a receipt?
Perfect. You're mastering practical English.
Jessica, Professor, sometimes I forget words mid-sentence.
That's okay. You can use, let me think, or what's the word?
So I don't need to panic.
Exactly. Keep talking. Fluency grows with courage.
I'll remember that. What about evening English?
Evening conversations often happen at home. Let's practice.
Okay.
First phrase, turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights. Easy.
Then, set the table.
Set the table. That means to put plates and forks before dinner.
Yes. After dinner, do the dishes.
Do the dishes. Clean them with water and soap.
Correct. Then, take a break.
Take a break. Relax for a while.
Exactly. And before sleeping, turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. The opposite of turn on the lights.
Perfect. You're catching the patterns.
Let me review. Turn on the lights, set the table, do the dishes, take a break, turn off the lights.
Excellent summary.
I feel like I can handle a full English day now.
You absolutely can.
But what if I make mistakes when speaking?
Everyone does, even native speakers. The key is don't stop. Correct yourself and keep going.
That's comforting.
Remember, communication matters more than perfection.
Professor, can we review everything quickly?
Sure, let's go through your day in English.
Okay.
Morning phrases?
Wake up, make the bed, brush your teeth, take a shower, have breakfast.
Nice.
Then at the cafe, find a seat, look at the menu, place an order, wait for your drink, enjoy your coffee.
Great.
At lunch, I'll have a sandwich, pass the salt, that was delicious, I'm full, let's split the bill.
Excellent.
At afternoon, try it on, it fits well, how much is it, do you accept cards, can I get a receipt?
Perfect.
Evening, turn on the lights, set the table, do the dishes, take a break, turn off the lights.
Perfect. You've built a full day of real English.
I can't believe I learned so much in one episode.
You worked hard, Jessica.
I think I'm ready for the English Cafe now.
You absolutely can. Remember to listen, smile, and speak. People will understand your effort.
Thank you, Professor. You always make English feel possible.
That's because it is. And for our listeners, what about you?
Yes. Write 5 example lines in the comments using today's phrases.
And watch our next episode to keep improving your speaking confidence.
Right. The next video is all about place CTA topic here.
See you there.
Bye, everyone.
Keep learning, keep talking. This is English Real Talks.